Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Mechanic channel. Before going to video, please subscribe to channel because you can get up-to-date phone knowledge from our channel. And in this video, we will learn about how to change ringtone or set customized ringtone in a Redmi 10 mobile. And then here we go. First, open the setting on this device. After that, open sound and vibration option, and then select ringtone option. And you can choose MI mix ringtone and jazz ringtone. Also, select all ringtone option. You can change your ringtone from here. And then select phone dial pad tone and volume setting from here as per your like. You can change alarm tone also and choose your additional setting and then set your tab ringtone option, and here alarm ringtone also. If you want to choose local ringtone, select ringtone from your file, same like that ringtone, all ringtone, and choose local ringtone option and select file manager. After that, select your own region ringtone. If you want to download from online, select online ringtone. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment.